my name is Caudio. I'm a visual artist. I've been doing art since I was about 4 years old. I get most of my inspiration from just, I guess, human interaction and nature, just being around people, seeing other artists locally and globally. I picked up my passion when, I guess I was born with it, but I picked up the passion when Trayvon Martin got murdered. My very first original piece of Trayvon Martin, her mom, Beyonce's mom, bought that piece. So some of the art that I'm known for is the Skittles art. I do art entirely out of Skittles. I just finished doing an art piece with American Express that's entirely out of coffee beans. That just launched today, so you guys can find that on Forbes.com. But yeah, I'm mainly known for like the Skittles artwork that I do. And it is coated because I always get, is it coated? Is it gonna attract bugs? No, it's coated. You can't taste it, it's coated with resin. So the process of doing the art pieces that I do commissions as well. So you would send me a picture of yourself or whoever, dog, cat, goldfish, whatever. And I basically take that and break it down to colors on Photoshop. So wherever the darkest part, the most darkest part is gonna be the darkest color. Wherever the light hits is gonna be the lightest color. So yeah, that process takes around almost 4 to 6 weeks to do. And then from there, I draw it onto canvas, and then I paint it, and then I, add medium to it because I don't typically like doing just regular paintings. I like to add medium to it and texture. Best advice I would give a young artist trying to be a visual artist would be, as long as you're passionate about it and you have a purpose behind it, then go for it. You can find me on social media at Harold Caudio, my first and last name. Everything is Harold Caudio. My website is Colored Collextion, Collextion. Today, I'm going to be doing my Chadwick Boseman, and I'm going to be framing it. So I just wanted to take you guys through that process of painting and framing. This process, the Chadwick, is because he was like a really prominent, I feel like he was like the first black superhero that touched me in his passing. So basically I just want to use this piece to like raise awareness towards colon cancer because my auntie died of colon cancer. And yeah, so that's why I'm doing this piece. I have a piece already, but not like how I'm doing this piece. This piece is gonna be framed. The other piece isn't framed, it's just regular medium paint. I'd like to thank the Downtown Development Authority for letting me do this.